Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Android Auto in your car for navigation, music, and hands-free communication, follow these step-by-step instructions to set it up and start using it. Step 1. Ensure your car is compatible with Android Auto. Check your car's manual or visit the Android Auto website for a list of supported vehicles. Step 2. Download the Android Auto app from the Google Play Store if it is not already installed on your Android phone. Step 3. Connect your phone to your car using a USB cable. Some cars also support wireless Android Auto, but a cable is required for the initial setup. Step 4. Turn on your car's ignition and unlock your phone. Step 5. On your car's display, select Android Auto from the menu to start the setup process. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions on both your phone and car display to grant necessary permissions, such as location, contacts, and notifications. Step 7. Once setup is complete, Android Auto will launch on your car's display, showing navigation, music, and communication apps. Step 8. Use voice commands by saying, "Hey Google," to control navigation, make calls, send messages, and play music hands-free while driving. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.